What's the meaning of bolshie? Bolshie. Bolshie.
Bolshie. Bolshie. The term bolshie is a slang term that is commonly used in British English and is derived from the word Bolshevik, which refers to a member of the Russian Social Democratic Party. In modern usage, the term bolshie refers to a person who is rebellious or argumentative, particularly when it comes to political or social issues. These individuals often have an inclination towards left-wing or left-leaning ideologies, and are perceived as being confrontational or difficult to work with. The term bolshie is often used in a derogatory manner, particularly in workplace settings, to describe someone who is seen as causing trouble or being disruptive. Overall, the term bolshie denotes a person who is rebellious and confrontational, particularly when it comes to political or social issues.